The question is, what is the best memory that you made during the US tour nyo ngayon? Anyone can answer.
Best memory.
Dami.
Bus tour.
Yes.
Kasi first time po namin mag-bus tour, and ang saya talaga niya.
Hindi ko in-expect.
Opo, panoorin niyo po yung bus tour namin sa Bini Official. Ang saya po talaga, para kaming nasa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Tapos, alam mo yun, para kaming bumalik sa Bini House, nagkakasama kaming gigising, sabay-sabay matutulog, kakain, gano'n.
Saka first time ko po ulit nakaranas na matulog na walang alarm.
Ako
the
din.
best.
Kasi gisingan ka, pakiramdaman ka.
Ako nag-alarm.
Guys, si Mika nag-alarm ng napaka-aga.
Okay. Ganun po, bus tour, that is the best thing. And feeling ko, to add with that, yung, grabe yung love ng mga Pinoy dito sa ibang bansa. Like, parang, na-feel talaga namin na dinala namin yung buong Pilipinas talaga dito sa tour namin. So, we are so grateful na napafeel namin sa kanila. Kahit sa isang oras na, 1 to 2 hours of show, na-feel nila sa Pilipinas sila. So, we're so grateful and na-share namin yung music namin not only for our Filipino fans but also to international fans. So, super saya talaga. Yeah.
Yes. My follow-up question is, what can we expect from Bini for year 5?
Year 5? Oh! Next year.
More songs. Yes, for next year. Actually guys, ang dami na, doon na po yung buhay namin na gano'n next year.
Hanggang next 5 years.
Yes, next 5 years. Pero siguro mag-start tayo pag-uwi namin ng Pinas. So pag-uwi namin ng Pinas, hindi pa tapos sa mga pasabog namin for Shaggy D. Basta may pasabog pa po kami dyan. And sana po i-stream niyo po yung Shaggy D, our newest song. Hindi pa po namin nare-reveal yung full choreo, so abangan niyo po yan. After nun, meron po kaming homecoming meet and greet po on June 29 sa MOA Arena! Plus, i-release na rin po namin dyan ang aming Bini Cosmetics, so abangan niyo po. And may photo book din kaming i-release, makikita niyo lahat ng memories namin sa buong Biniverse World Tour namin. And abangan niyo si Nix sa July sa All-Star Games. Yes. Ng volleyball. And kami po ng basketball. So abangan niyo. Abangan niyo po yan. And for next year, syempre mga songs.
More albums.
Yes, albums.
English and Tagalog.
English and Tagalog songs. Yes. And yun, pero most especially magpa-birthday si Gwen dito, kaya batiin natin siya ng isang next year! Happy birthday, Gwen!
Maniningil ako ng regalo pag uwi ko doon.
Agwengers.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Thank you to all our press and of course to the 8 who asked the questions to our Beanies. So,
Siyempre, happy anniversary again to our Bini and to our Blooms. Eto na, ano na lang ang message natin to our Blooms, especially yung mga nandito na yun na nasa activity area natin.
Thank you so much, Blooms, for coming today dyan. Kahit alam niyong wala kami at mga standee lang, talagang nag-effort kayong pumunta dyan. Dyan yung Binikada. So, sana ma-fulfill nila yung sorry. Yes, sana mag-enjoy kayo today. You know, it's fun to meet your co-bloom, make relationship. Make good relationships with them, and you can talk about us. We don't mind it. Basta good. And ayan, please enjoy today. And kami, pag-pray namin kayo dyan. Because we also miss you guys. And ito, Ate Jo.
Yes! Blooms, wag na kayo magselos, sa inyo pa rin kami uuwi. Nagsiselos na kasi sila. Yeah, we miss you guys.
Balikan ka na rin.
thanks, Beanie. So, syempre, sobrang na-miss kayo ng mga Blooms. Kaya nag-bonding na lang muna kami dito sa Trinoma. Marami kaming activities, may Beanie Land na may mga fun booth din. Pero may surprise guest and may screening kami sa Cine ng exclusive content nyo. And of course, may dance cover competition kung saan yung mananalo dito ay makakapunta sa June 29 sa homecoming. So my question, nandito pa ba sila? Oh yes. Yes, it's sa June 29, so we're all excited to see you there. But my question is, what can we expect on the 29th sa inyong homecoming fan meet? Aside sa makita namin kayo. Ganda.
Yeah, syempre, you're gonna meet us. We're gonna perform, of course, for our blooms, sa meet and greet, surprises. Basta we're just gonna have fun. So, see you guys on the 29th for our homecoming!
Punta kayo guys sa 29?
Sinong sure na dito sa 29? Mukhang maraming aatin sa atin sa 29. See you, of course. See you.
Sure po kami.
Sure po sila, complete. Okay, so,
Of course, before we say goodbye, mag-promise muna tayo sa isa't isa, Bini. So, just complete this sentence para sa ating mga blooms. So, by the time na magkita tayo ulit sa June 29,
By the time na magkita tayo sa June 29,
kayo mag-a-answer. Anong... So, by the time magkita tayo ulit sa June 29 and then answer kayo.
by the time magkita tayo sa June 29,
panatang mga blooms to, panatang mga blooms. So, anong i-expect natin? Just complete the sentence.
yeah, mabubuo na ulit ang puso nyo.
Sabi, by the time sa June 29, mabubuo na ang puso, sabi ni Bini Mika.
Tama. Pupunta tayo lahat para mabuo yung puso natin. So thank you so much again to our Walo, to our Beanies, for making time for our Bloom on your special day. Congratulations once again. It has been quite a beautiful journey and you have inspired so many people, so many Blooms out there.
And we miss you here dito sa Philippines.
Yes.
We miss
See you sa June 29!
See you on the 29th.
We love you!
Thank you po.
Bye, Direk Lauren! Grabe! Na-miss niyo ba sila?
Oh, mag-one last babay tayo. Bye, Bini!
Enjoy! Take care.
Grabe, so kahit sobrang busy ng schedule ng girls this June with their world tour, marami pa rin silang hinandang ayuda para sa mga blooms. At ilan dyan ay makukuha na natin today dito mismo sa Trinoma.
And of course, to celebrate our 4 years with Bini, meron tayong 4 things to remember. Imagine we have 4 things to celebrate the guest artists from the Kapamilya. At dito, Bini, sita tayo para makisaya sa ating party for Bini. Please welcome JM Ibarra and Fiang Smith.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Let them say we're crazy, don't care about that. Put your head in mine and baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take it to the Let them say we're crazy. What do they know? Put your arms around me, baby, don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. All that I need is you. All that I ever need.
All that I wanna do
Is hold you forever, forever and ever. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us.
Nothing's gonna stop us now. Rock Blooms.
Oh my gosh! Grabe!
And of course, thank you JM sa pagsama. And
Piang.
Piang.
Wow, thank
Wow.
you po.
Of course, batiin muna natin ang ating blooms na kasama natin ngayon.
Hi, Blooms! Magandang umaga po!
So thank you, JM Piang, dahil nakiselebrate kayo ngayon sa Blooms or Happy Blooms Day. Thank you sa oras nyo.
Yes, oo naman, of course. Basta sa ating Bini.
Yes.
And syempre, alam naman naming busy kayo. Tama? Busy? Okay. Konting chika naman tayo. Syempre, alam naman natin na we belong, of course, in the same management. At maraming times na nakakasalubong natin ng Bini. May it be sa hallway man yan, sa workshop man natin yan. So, curious lang ang ating mga blooms. Baka meron naman kayong somehow exclusive na pwedeng i-share sa ating mga kasamang blooms ngayon kung anong experience niyo with the Beanies.
Nako, alam nyo ba, ang Bini, sobrang sipag niyan. Every time na nagre-rehearsal sila sa ELJ, no? Sa ELJ building sa ABS. Grabe, maririnig nyo, paulit-ulit tumutugtog yung kanta nila. Kasi paulit-ulit talaga nilang pinapractice para every time na magpa-perform sila sa inyo, perfect na. 'Di ba? Sobrang sipag nila. And lahat sila mabango. Grabe. Ayan, mabango talaga. Lahat sila mabango. And very hardworking talaga.
Thank you so much, Frank. How about you, JM?
Ako, madalang kasi hindi ako lumalabas ng room eh. Ang madalas ko makasalubong si Bini Colette. Colette Madelo eh. Ay, nasa likod pala.
Ibang kulit yun!
Ano ba, iba?
Ibang kulit yun eh. Pero ito na lang. Siyempre, curious din ang ating blooms. Ano naman ang masasabi natin or song of Beanie na magde-describe sa relationship nyo ngayon?
Song from Beanie na ano nyo, theme song galing sa Beanie. Ano ba?
For me yung wag muna tayong umuwi. Yun.
O, payag ka ba dun, Piang? Wag daw muna kayong umuwi.
Dito lang daw kayo, Pia.
Dito tayo tulog. Sa akin naman, yung lagi, of course.
Bakit lagi? Curious lang din kami. Bakit lagi yung song na from Beanies about your relationship?
As a relationship.
Di kasi
lagi
nakikinig
naman.
eh.
Lagi. Alam mo yon. Kailangan mo talaga sabihin.
Oo, tinatanong.
Bakit sa kanya hindi mo tinanong?
Hindi, gets na kasi agad yun. Sa wag na.
Lagi. Ano ba yung nasa lyrics ng lagi?
Kantahin mo daw yun.
Wow. Lagi na maawit ang
Diba?
Ay, ready na sa concert!
Uy, ang ganda ng boss ka, no?
Okay, Piang and JM, thank you. So magbigay naman kayo ng message to our Blooms kasi special day din nila to.
Ayan, happy 4th anniversary, Blooms! Ayan, sana patuloy niyo pa ding suportahan ang ating Bini. Yeah! Oh, ito na! Tingnan natin kung energetic sila. Heaven! Energetic sila. Ayan, happy 4th anniversary! Ba't huwag niyo silang iiwan, ah? Dapat.
Of course, they love you and they also love the Beanies and the Blooms, of course. At syempre, alam naman natin na sobrang busy nyo din. Pero saan nga ba naman kayo dapat abangan?
Ayan, guys! Yes, magkakameron tayo ng album launch. Magkakameron po tayo ng album launch sa June 22 sa New Frontier Theater sa may Cubao. Di pa siya sure, ang ganda. And ayan, available pa din yung ticket up until now. You can visit my ticket sa ticketnet.com. Thank you!
See you
Thank you,
there.
Piang. Ano pa, may iba pa kaming papanoorin. Saan ba namin kayo papanoorin? Kayong dalawa.
Ngayon, of course, abangan nyo rin po ang aming upcoming na digital series na Ghosting. Ayan, malapit na po yan. And,
Yes,
oh,
at madami pa kayong aabangan. As in, madami pa talaga. Yan, thank you, Kuya Dong!
And of course, thank you so much to our blooming, lovely couple, JM and Piang!
Thank you for joining us today sa Blooms Day. Okay. Mamaya lang debriefing.
Bakit ako inhalo ni Piang? Bakit?
Inaway.
Hindi, baka ano lang.
Hindi.
Ma-misinterpret.
Oh, clear it,
Gets
clear
na
it.
nila yun, gets na nila yun.
Gets nyo ba, Bloom?
Gets yun ah?
Gets, kayo ikaw naman.
Ako din, gets ko din.
Defensive ka.
Hindi ako defensive, nagulat lang ako.
Okay, thank you so much, JM and Piang, for celebrating
Thank you so
your
much po.
day with the Blooms today.
Salamat
And
po.
we hope to see Piang sa concert niya and manood ng digital series nila na Ghosting. Manood kayo, Blooms? Yes! Slay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, JM
Thank you,
Piang.
JM
thank you, bye-bye. Love you all.
Grabe. So, first pa lang yun sa mga guests natin today na makikiselebrate sa atin today. May energy pa ba kayo? Yay! Para hindi ko masyadong rinig doon. May energy pa kayo?
Dito sa kanan. Dito sa kaliwa.
Dito naman!
Paano naman yung mga nasa taas natin, Jazz?
I see you. Kayo
Kita din
tatlo.
natin dito sa mga nasa
Oo,
4th floor,
nandun
3rd
sa
floor.
4th
Hello,
floor.
hello, Blooms!
Grabe, ang dami nating aabangan ngayon, Kuya Dick. Okay. So, tapos na tayo sa video call natin. Meron tayong Beanie Land, Kuya Dick. Ano makikita natin sa Beanie Land?
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it. So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. Let's have some fun with it. Cause you know I'm running it. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world. You got that symphony. Like da-do. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you're trying to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Baby, he's just looking at me. If you really like me, baby, then just blink twice. If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? It feel like you blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Ay, misteryoso. May magandang hulugan ng tibo. Ikot pinapakita, dalawa sa iyong salita. Pero ayoko ng pagkasimula. Ayokong umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa na ba na magkakaroon?
Ang ating binikada, saan dito si Koyet? Blooms, share naman natin si Koyet! We also have Mamay! We also have Tintin!
Slay! Hey!
Next we have Daisy!
Next, we have Lucky! Of course, sunod na si Mick Mick.
We also have Gwenny! And last we have Yang Yang!
Nandito sila to give you a happy and super cute Blooms Day. Give it up for Binikada!
Nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo. Nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo. Nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo. Nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo. Ilang gabi nang puyat sa kakaisip sa'yo. Binabalikan na parang panaginip ang panahon. Tinatanong ang sarili kung bakit ganito? Ano ba ang meron sa'yo?
be holding my world.
Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh, shucks, sige way, pag-ibig na. Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw mas masaya, magmula kita ka. Wala ng pangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feel like someone like you, parang isang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko, sa islang pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko, sa islang pantropiko.
Hey! Thank you so much, our Binicada!
Thank you so much for joining and making us today not just a happy Bloomsday, but also having us for, you know, the cutest celebration for today. Thank you so much.
Palakpakan naman natin ang Binicada. Thank you so much for joining us and making us not just happy, but the cutest celebration.
Maraming salamat, Yang Yang, Koyet, Lucky, Bueni, Daisy, Mikmik, Tintin, and Maymay.
Thank you.
Pero sabi nga nila, di ba, huwag muna tayong umuwi dahil may CNA pa. Ito talaga yung cherry on top of the Happy Bloomsday. May chance kayong makanood ng pinakabagong Beanieverse episodes and Beanie Chapter 3 hanggang dulo. So pre-register at beanie.global para makakuha ng seat sa Cinema 5 and 6.
For those who have already pre-registered sa Beanie.Global, pwede na kayong dumiretso sa Cine area, Cinema 5 and 6, para makaupo na for the back-to-back screenings starting at 4 p.m. If you have any questions about registration, don't hesitate to ask any of our Beanie team members na nasa Cine area.